Hi, I'm Heath Rouse and welcome to Victory Lane BBQ. Today we're going to show you our award-winning whole hog presentation and prep that we're going to do just like we're here at Memphis in May. We start with our hog, we lay him on his back, we fillet him down the middle here, and why we do that so you can bust him open, all right? So you can get in there and you can work with the meat. We cut the ribs right here where you can get in there to the loin, and all that we do is we actually inject our hog with a combination of fruit juices and barbecue rub. We really have to inject these hams here, and the reason be they're a really lean piece of meat. You come up in the shoulders and the loin, and then you hit a little bit in the other areas here. All we do then is we take some mustard, rub it down on the pork. We come back with some of our award-winning dry rub here, our sweet barbecue rub, and we layer it down really good. Now we put it on our cooker here, and we're cooking on a whole hog backwoods cooker. And the reason for that is we're cooking on water cookers, and they keep moisture in them. They have 45 gallons of water in them and a fire below, and the heat rolls down from the top, and they have to roll to come back out. It acts like natural convection. All that we do every hour and a half once we put our whole hog on is baste it. We put it on at 3 p.m. and we baste it every hour and a half, clean up to 10:30 where we wrap our hog up when it gets to perfect color for us. We cook with a combination of Bayou Classic Charcoal and grillwood.com. Cherry wood's what we use. We come back after that, and all we do at 8 o'clock the next morning is unwrap this hog and come back with our award-winning barbecue sauce, our mild sauce, and our original sauce, and our spicy sauce you see behind us here. We take all three sauces, baste them on the meat equally, come back after that with an apple glaze. And when we come back with this apple glaze here, all we do is paint it on for a nice sheen. And when we get it at where we want it at, and we get it decorated up like it is, you see here with these nice flowers and kale, it's ready for presentation for the judges. You can purchase all of our award-winning products at Raymond's Meat Market on Getwell Avenue, Memphis Barbecue Supply on Stage Road, VictoryLaneBBQ.com, and Wema Home and Hardware stores in Aruba. Look for them coming soon to a grocery store near you. Now this is Championship Barbecue.